Now in this video I am going to show you why you should use color warper instead of the qualifier. Now if I add a serial and add a layer and go to the qualifier and select our subject face, for example, as you can see the qualifier selecting the background as well. So we have to delete these two nodes, and I am going to add a serial and go to the color warper. Now what I'm going to do is select this node and take the center point and drag this and bring it down. If you go extreme in the color warper, as you can see the background will disturb. Now here is our look. If you want the face value to change, so just select the point it highlighting on the color warper and bring this point to the upper side. Now check this out. We just created teal and orange look in color warper inside DaVinci Resolve. This is before and this is after. So I hope you like this video. Subscribe to the channel and I will see you in the next one.